How to use AI for effortless video scripting. Let AI do the heavy lifting for your YouTube scripts. Ever spent hours trying to write the perfect YouTube script only to end up with nothing? Yeah, I've been there too. But what if I told you there's a way to create complete, high-quality video scripts in minutes without burnout, overthinking, or writer's block? In this video, I'm showing you how to use AI to script your YouTube videos effortlessly, whether you're making tutorials, reviews, shorts, or storytelling content. Stick around to the end, and I'll share my go-to AI scripting prompt formula you can copy and use today. Let's roll. The problem. Writing scripts is hard and time-consuming. Let's be real. Writing YouTube scripts takes time. From brainstorming, researching, outlining, writing, editing, it's a lot. And if you're trying to post consistently, script fatigue is a real thing. That's where AI comes in. AI tools can help you go from idea to full script in a matter of minutes without sacrificing personality or value. The power of AI, what it can do for your script. Here's what AI can help you with. Brainstorm ideas based on your niche and audience. Generate a full script outline. Write intros, hooks, and CTAs that grab attention. Optimize tone and delivery. Funny, educational, persuasive, you name it. Rewrite or punch up scripts for more clarity and engagement. And the best part? It's fast. I'm talking minutes. Tools you can use with live demo or screenshots. My top AI tools for script writing: ChatGPT, free, flexible, and fantastic for idea development and long-form scripting. Jasper AI, built for marketers and creators. Great templates and tone control. Write Sonic, Copy.ai, easy-to-use tools with pre-built YouTube templates. Notion AI, great for organizing scripts and content calendars in one place. Let's run a quick example. I'll ask ChatGPT to write a script intro for a video on 5 productivity hacks for creators. AI prompt formula that works every time. The AI prompt formula that saves me hours. Here's what I use for nearly every video prompt. Just plug this into your AI tool. Prompt template. Write a YouTube video script for a type of video titled Your Title. The tone should be tone, casual, expert, fun, etc. Include an engaging hook, clear sections with headers, and a strong call to action. Example. Write a YouTube video script for a tutorial titled How to Use Canva for Beginners. Tone, friendly and educational. Include an engaging hook, step-by-step format, and a final CTA. Boom. In seconds, you'll have a full draft ready to tweak and record. Tips for making AI scripts. Sound human. AI scripts are great, but don't just copy and paste. Make it yours. Add your personal stories or examples. Speak the script out loud and adjust for flow. Inject your personality. Your audience is here for you, not just the info. Keep editing light. Think polish, not rewrite. The goal is to let AI do the heavy lifting, so you can focus on performing and connecting. So, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned creator, AI can be your secret weapon for faster, better, and stress-free scripting. Download the free prompt template below. Try ChatGPT, Jasper, or Copy.ai using the links in the description. Comment below. What kind of video will you script with AI first? And hey, if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss more AI-powered content creation tips.